Today, I'm going to show you how to fix an error that some of you have been facing when trying to play Valorant by Riot Games. Some of you reported that when you open the game, you get an error saying something like, "This build of Vanguard requires TPM version 2.0 and secure boot to be enabled in order to play." I don't usually play Valorant, but I installed it and replicated the issue myself so I could show you exactly how to fix it. Basically, Riot Games is now enforcing TPM 2.0 and secure boot requirements, which means if these are not enabled on your PC, the game won't run. You might also see another error saying there was an error connecting to the platform. Please restart your game client. To fix this, you need to enable both TPM 2.0 and secure boot from your BIOS settings. First, restart your Windows PC. It can be Windows 10 or 11. And while it's booting up, press the BIOS key. This key differs depending on your PC manufacturer or motherboard. So if you're unsure, just Google BIOS key for your PC motherboard model. Once you're in the BIOS interface, the appearance may vary depending on your motherboard, but the options we need are similar across systems. Navigate to the advanced settings of your BIOS. On many systems, you can press F7 to access these options. From there, go to your motherboard settings. If you have an MSI BIOS, you'll see a layout with multiple tabs, including Security. Open the Security tab and look for anything related to Trusted Computing or TPM. Once you find it, enable Security Device Support, which will automatically allow the TPM switch to become active. Depending on your hardware, this might be labeled as AMD FTPM, ITPM, Intel PTT, or TPM 2.0, but enabling the security device support usually selects the correct option automatically. After enabling TPM, go back to Advanced Options and look for Windows OS configuration. Here, make sure the BIOS mode is set to UEFI. This is necessary to enable secure boot. If your system was installed in Legacy or CSM mode, you'll need to switch it to UEFI. Once you do, the Secure Boot option will appear. Click on Secure Boot and enable it. Make sure the mode is set to Standard, then save your changes by clicking the red X or the Save and Exit option, and confirm with Yes. Your PC will restart and apply all the changes. Once your computer restarts, open Valorant again, and you should see that the game launches successfully. Now you can play without any TPM or secure boot errors. Enabling these settings also ensures that your system meets the requirements for Windows 11 installation, so it's a useful fix for other reasons as well. And that's it for this video. I hope this guide helped you fix the Valorant error and get your game running. If it did, make sure to hit the like button. If you want to see more gaming content, stay tuned, but if you're interested in PC tips, troubleshooting, and guides, consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Before you go, one quick tip: if you ever download tools, drivers, or troubleshoot PC settings online, making sure your connection is secure really matters. I personally use NordVPN to keep my data private and safe from snooping, especially on public or shared networks, and you can check it out with the link in the description.